Want to organize your sales content, share proposals professionally, and track customer engagement from one dashboard? In this How to Use OpenPage AI tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your account, create your first client workspace, upload content, and start using OpenPage AI like a pro. Hello everyone, welcome back. First, visit the OpenPage website and click Sign Up or Request Access if your organization uses OpenPage. Create your account, verify your email, and log in to access the dashboard. The interface is clean and designed to help teams manage customer-facing content in one place. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Create New Workspace or New Client Page. Give your workspace a name and choose the client or project you're working on. This workspace becomes the central location where you'll manage proposals, presentations, videos, and supporting documents. For this demo, upload a PDF proposal, a product presentation, and a short introduction video. You can organize everything into sections so your client only needs to open one link instead of searching through multiple emails. This creates a much cleaner and more professional experience. Next, customize the page by adding your company logo, brand colors, welcome message, and call to action buttons. You can also update files later without sending a new link, ensuring your client always sees the latest version of your content. One of the most useful features is engagement tracking. After sharing your workspace, OpenPage lets you see how clients interact with your content, such as which documents they open and how engaged they are. These insights can help you decide the best time to follow up. Now let's talk about pricing. OpenPage is mainly designed for businesses and sales teams, so pricing is usually available through custom plans or by contacting the sales team. Before subscribing, request a demo to find the plan that best fits your organization. If you're finished setting everything up, simply share your client page using the generated link. Your customers can access all of your sales materials from one professional workspace without downloading multiple attachments. If this How to Use OpenPage AI tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know which AI tool you'd like to learn next. Based on my research, OpenPage is a practical solution for sales teams that want to simplify client communication and manage content more efficiently.